systems. The IT department does not have any grip on the implementation system, but are supposed to fulfill the requirement of the management. Critical success factors are to form an optimistic approach of the management on adapting the ERP product driven methodology, on customization, and on monetary commitments. These things the management has to fully understand and be forming and defining these things. There should be a dedicated team exclusively reserved for implementation of the ERP. Good training needs to be provided. Strict adherence to the project schedules has to be there. Right technical infrastructure should be there. Like whatever should be oversized actually in terms of server sizing, etc. And change management is to be handled properly. The third option would be custom built ERP solution using the external resources. It is also developing the ERP solution but using a third party staff. The points of concern would be software development vendor has to be selected properly. Requirement scope finalization has to be done properly, because again because of customization there will be islands of information that might be there. Less chances of value addition would be there by the third party. The most problematic would be it would not be time tested or system tested, because it might be developed one-off for you, and the chances of prolonged project duration, the project duration would keep on prolonging as requirements creep in, or on the ability of the consultant party to execute or write programs for the system. The critical success factors there would be clear vision, support to the management, capabilities of software development vendor has to be known, scope and expectation finalization towards the meeting the ERP concepts, strict implementation schedule and periodical monitoring, and involvement of the IT and functional teams has to be there. Some of the top ERP vendors like SAP, Oracle, PeopleSoft, SSA Global, Microsoft Dynamics, JD Edwards, Siebel. These are a few well-known ERP vendors. Many more in the market. Now ERP has evolved to what we were saying about is ERP2, where various industry verticals are being introduced. So you have a industry sector 1, 2, 3, 4, X, Y, Z. All of these are being taken care of now. If you compare ERP to ERP2, the role is big from ERP optimization, enterprise optimization to value chain partner